Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to align text in center and Elementor on your WordPress website. This is a fundamental skill that'll help you create more polished, professional-looking pages with properly centered headings and content. Let's walk through it step by step. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Simply open your browser and navigate to your WordPress site's admin URL. Enter your username and password to access the backend of your website. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll be able to manage your pages and content. Once you're logged in, look at the left sidebar and navigate to Pages. Click on it to expand the menu, then select Add Page. This will create a brand new page for you to work with. After the page is created, you'll see a button that says Edit with Elementor. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up the Elementor Page Builder interface, which is a powerful drag and drop tool that makes designing your website incredibly intuitive and straightforward. Now you're inside the Elementor editor. At the top of the Elementor panel on the left, you'll see a search bar. This search bar is super handy for quickly finding the exact widget you need without scrolling through dozens of options. Type heading into that search bar and you'll see the heading widget appear in the results. Click and drag this heading widget into the column on your page where you want your text to appear. This widget is specifically designed for titles and headings and gives you full control over their styling and positioning. With the heading widget now placed on your page, you'll notice it comes with some default text. Click on the text field and replace it with your desired heading. For example, you might type welcome or any other heading that suits your page's purpose. This text will be what your visitors see, so make it clear and engaging. Now comes the important part, centering your text. Look at the left panel where you'll see tabs at the top. Click on the Style tab. Under this tab, you'll find various styling options for your heading. Locate the alignment dropdown. This is where you control how your text is positioned within its container. Click on the drop-down and select Center from the options. As soon as you do this, you'll see your heading shift to the center of the column, creating that balanced, professional look you're after. And that's it. You've successfully aligned your text to the center in Elementor on your WordPress website. This simple technique can dramatically improve the visual appeal of your pages and ensure your content looks intentional and well-designed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.